Hello! Check out this portable grill table. That whole thing folded up to this little thing, which is so awesome. It's great for storage and it's so lightweight, guys. This is on the other side of the RV when I started this video, and I was like, man, this sunlight is so harsh. Let me move it. And I moved it all by myself, like when it's fully assembled. Oh, by the way, this is so cool too because this thing can hang a lantern, a light, or I don't know, a portable speaker so you can dance while you grill. On the other side, there are two trays that can hold your cups. And that stretchy thing you see there is actually to hold up a paper towel. And what you would do is just take it out of that little loop there, put it in the paper towel roll, and then put it back. And this stretches very well, by the way. Oh, and this thing, guys, this can hold a wine glass. Check this out. But you have to make sure the stem is the skinny one because I had one that was a little bit wide and no, that would not fit. So get a wine glass like this where it can actually fit. Oh, and this will also fit at the top, which is super awesome, not limited. And this paper towel thing is a little bit tight. I would recommend you pull it down a little bit and then pull it, and it also gets easier once you have less paper towel, you know, like obviously. This is the brand, by the way, GCI Outdoor. Okay, so this is on the other side of the RV now, and I lifted that all by myself. This is how it looks like before I put everything on there. It is sturdy, it is nice, and it is also lightweight, which I don't know, but it has a whole bunch of things you can put. Like, for example, this cooler bag. You can use this to put all the foods that you need, your ingredients, your beer, wine, and condiments, and just take them out as you go. It's very simple, so you don't have to keep going back and forth inside and outside the RV. And right now I just have some Izes. Ooh, that's so good. And some soju. That flavor is green grape, which is pretty darn good. And finally, we have this small grill right here. We have had this for so long and it fits perfectly on top of that. So you guys should really put the grill on that table on top of the cooler because this side is actually a sink. Isn't that so cool? It has this hose thing where you can attach it to your water jug and you can use that for washing your plates. I don't know. I mean, personally, I wouldn't use it for that. I would just take it inside the RV. And another idea is to use this for your alcoholic and drink beverages. Like, you could put a bunch of ice in there and put your drinks. Or you don't have to use it at all, and you can use it for the food that you just grilled, like burgers, hot dogs, corn, or what have you. And on the bottom is another tray, which I like to use for paper plates and cutlery, a plastic cutlery, and I like to open it at the top so that we can just get it super easily like that. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the other side of the cooler tray. This is, I mean, I already talked about this, but I just wanted to show you like what more stuff you could put, like more big bowls and the wine. And if you just want to put all the drinks down there, it can fit just like that. So you got like your drink bar. Kind of frees up this space too so you don't knock over anything. I just want to say that I really like this grill. It's so cute and tiny. I mean, not that tiny, but I just love the size of it. Perfect for this table. And let's talk about this light bulb. I was trying to look for my lantern, but I couldn't find it, and I totally found it after the video. It's a nice added feature because sometimes, you know, we grill in the dark at like 10 p.m. maybe. Well, don't mind if I do. Let's hydrate this